We have important updates about the MetaMask Airdrop, which we're going to be talking about as the claiming. So with that said, we jump straight to the laptop. First thing first, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're watching. Thank you very much for the support. I'm trying to take you daily videos now twice a day. First thing, we go and claim our Jupiter Airdrop. I will leave you the link down below. Make sure to go and claim. Right here, I got 645 tokens. Let me know your allocation down in the comments below. We know the extremely bad situation of crypto right now, but it's still good that we get some airdrops here and there. So I will leave the link down below. Make sure to go and let me know how many you did receive. Next up, I did partner with Wix, which you know is the exchange, is a non-KYC exchange of the channel, which anybody can join, and they're giving away $25 by simply depositing $100. Super easy. The link will be down below. Make sure to go and get your free money because this is absolutely important. Link down below, sign up and get trading. As we see here, 100 USDT to deposit and to trade 1000. What does that mean? You simply need to go and open a 110x, open and close, you're good to go. Do not hesitate. As we see here, there is only 200 users are able to go and get these rewards. So make sure to go and do it. Easy to go and grab. 200 people only, time very sensitive. Next up, we also have the limitless airdrop to go and claim, which I will leave you the link down below. As we see here, limitless.exchange/claim, and simply go and do it. Super simple. Login to see the rewards. Not gonna bother you with that. On the top right, you will see the login. Make sure to go and do all of that, and you're good to go to get your airdrop. Talking about the MetaMask reward. And guys, I was editing the video. I forgot to tell you, link down below. Make sure to come and join my Telegram community. It is absolutely free to go and join. And if you want to start trading or you are a trader, I give you all the calls in my Telegram. Link will be down below. Free to join, promotion, calls, profit sharing, and all of that. Go and check it out for yourself and let me know if you don't like it. Here is something that I want to go and talk about the airdrop. Now, first of all, the MetaMask airdrop, it is going to happen, and the level that you're getting throughout season 1 is going to be season 2 again. It will matter for your token allocation. Yes, in season 1, they're only giving out linear token allocation. Fully understand it. Yes, but the season 1 will matter for the MetaMask season 2 airdrop. Absolutely yes. In my opinion, it's a no-brainer to think otherwise because the mask token is going to come out and it's going to count from the beginning to the end, what you've done, what you kept on doing. So do not sleep on it. And as we see here, we are currently contemplating final validation to ensure the distribution of the linear token, which is the first airdrop that they're going to be giving out to anybody that it is accurate and you see here, accurate and fair as possible. So do not sleep on it. Make sure to go and get your linear token now for this one. Let me know your level, but it was level 1 to 7. I was level 5. Let me know your total down below. I think I had 200,000 points. Let me know your total down below. But this season 1 is going to bring on to the season 2. Absolutely yes. There is no thinking different about the season 2 airdrop. When the mask token is going to come out, it is going to be affected by the season 1 situation and also what you do afterwards. So super simple video today. Just wanted to go and claim a few airdrops, wanted to give you a good promotion to go and get some free money. So link will be down below. Make sure to go and do all of them. Do not sleep on the airdrop because it is coming that season again. Crypto is sleeping, it's going to go down, it's super bearish, but then it's going to go up again. So link down below. See you tomorrow and thank you for watching. Ciao guys.